Shasta County was previously awarded a Caltrans Strategic Partnership Grant to improve region-to-region connectivity in the Northstate.
Yeah, now we get to see the plans from that grant money. The Northstate's News' Christina Mendez has the full story.
The Shasta Regional Transportation Agency has an upcoming workshop discussing the interregional bus-to-rail plan in hopes of connecting Northstate community members with other parts of California.
Part of the focus of this in pursuing the grant was based upon community feedback about needs to be able to get around the Northstate region and connect to major hubs.
Leaders at SRTA say they want to hear feedback from the community about where they want to go, recognizing the lack of transportation resources in rural communities, while also telling the community that particular issue is one that extends beyond their capacity.
This is one area where it's also not a one agency can fix the problem type of issue. It's a collaborative effort. So it's a collaboration between transportation planning agencies helping to come in and do some studies to be able to get community input and identify that those needs and gaps. It's the transit operators being able to explain and show what they're able to do and what they could do if those services could be found.
SRTA says they understand people want a passenger rail to connect the Northstate to other parts of California, but it has to be dealt with at a federal level. Although there are some plans in the works for Chico to be added to the Valley Rail, which connects San Joaquin County to Sacramento and eventually Butte.
Of course, we want more passenger rail to come to Redding, but that's a long haul. That's a lot of money to be spent when really buses could do the effort now.
According to Paula, Humboldt is currently working on what they call the Northstate Express to connect the 101 corridor, 5 corridor, 299, as well as Highway 20 across east to west. She says the upcoming workshop will show community members what they have planned so far for their role in Northstate transit.
So they will only be presenting initial findings from the surveys. The in-depth data research that our consultant did, looking into where the education centers are, the hospitals are, different levels of hospitals, the timing of connections, how long does it take to get to these locations? And so they'll be presenting that information to show, here's what we're thinking we're going to be moving forward with.
If you would like to attend the workshop, it'll be at the Shasta Regional Transportation Agency office in Redding and online January 16th at 5:30 p.m. In Redding, Christina Mendez, the Northstate's News.